We've got to try and make this door lining. Trying to get that fixed today. The old electrician's been in, so we got him out for here. We're just waiting for the plumber now. These pipes. Ooh, ah. Get a line in there. We've got this bit of angle on. We've got to get out. Look at that, that's a proper wall plate up there. Bit of 8x2 holding the roof up, but hopefully it works. Yeah, hopefully. Okay, so now I've got to assemble this door lining. Old school method. Okay, I'll put pilot hole in there. I'll actually just take that little nugget off there. Only me doing this, this is how I prefer it. And because if we had to rip it down, I'll mark the X on all of them so we can see which side it's got to be. Right, I'm even investing a little bit of glue. I'm really pushing the boat out on this one. Ba, 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 ba. This is for show. I know. Ah, dear. Right, get him back on there. Get that on that. Right, that's what we can do. Get a little start there. That sounded like the radio's died. I must put the battery on charge. Get that flush. Get on there temporarily. Push them together. So on this side. That's quite humid today, isn't it? Quite humid, boss. Fee-fa, foo-fum. There's some flush there. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Just give it a start. Alright, twist that in there. So you already see that slightly out. Yep, that's good. Let's do him up. This is a bit wider than normal. We try to make the end job a lot easier for us. Right, one more in there. Get a mark there, let's say 6 inches or 150 in new money. That's where I'm going to put my fix in there, and I'm going to put one in there and there, so I don't have to width I want it. Just mark it. Got one of them bad boys. It's coming home. Cool. Just get it through there. It's a bit over the top, but believe me, it's how they split. Give it that. I will put one of them each side of that. We'll just temporarily get fixing. I'm only putting one screw in at this point. As you see, get one in the temporary. We'll get one on there. This is just my interpretation of doing it, and I've only been doing it 40 years, so I don't know much, but that is how we roll. So get him on there. Now we want to square it up. We cut a piece like that. Put the angles, the 45s, and I'll put pile it in there. There's one in there. I always think fitting a door line is one of the most hardest disciplines of carpentry. I really do believe that. I have seen some right stake people put door lines in. Right, so that's all lined up. Now an old Indian trick. I got shown when I was a young man. You're on your own.
You know any old Indians?
Yeah, no, for old Indians. So what I'm going to do to square it up, put a nail through there, like go in that corner there, look. But it's got to be straight. That's reasonably straight, so we can go like that. Get my pencil roo. It's coming home. So I got measurements the same, two lengths. I got the measurement same on the width. I should go that there. I should go like that. And I will mark that there. And I'll put it in that corner and see what we've got. And I'll mark that there, look, so you can see we are 33, 34 mil out. So I'll use my old winky eye and give it one of them, something like that. And I'll get, I know it's somewhere in there. Make sure we're there. We'll check it again. You can do this all on your own. Right, just come a little bit that way. That's good. Oh yeah, that's coming now.
As if by magic the shop can
put that there so you can get a good line. You don't need a tape for this, you just, it is what it is. Right. It's coming home. Right, go there. Let's see, we get ready to refine it now. Get that one in there. And then we've got, so now you can see we've got just a little bit. That's pretty good, that. So what I'll do, I'll now get that bad boy on there. And what I like to do, I get one fixed and one on there, and then we'll check what we got. That's good. So now, if you get a second one in here, that won't go too far. And now we can put that one in there, and that one in there. And that's fairly rigid now, and reasonably square. We'll take him out, lose the nail, get rid of him into the pouch. Right, we've got it square, so the next job is I just want to put one more brace across the bottom on the other side, and that's all I need. So again, I'll just mark up 6 inches in old money, or 150, whatever is easy on the tape or the eye. We'll get in there. Right, get a piece of that. It's coming home. So there's flush. I can see old Norfolk man having a look at this, boy. The rot master will go right. He'll go right. Gary, we've done on these for a while. Double check. We're there yet. You can refer to the manual. Right, that's good.
There's probably a box that you can get for that.
Same routine. And I know this seems a bit over the top, but it does make actually putting the frame in a lot easier. Are they hard, boss?
Hard. Double hard.
ARD, hard. Right. Get that somewhere in there. So what you can see now, look, that's the same length as the top. You can see how twisted that is. So we get him on there. Put one in again first. Give you something to go. Roll that out. Now we got it flush. Right, that's there. Sweet, so that's ready to go in.